Muthenya wa aramithi hwaini, President Uhuru Kenyatta hamwe na Minister wa ukinyanĩria Joe Mucheru na maabitha angĩ a thirikari manyitanĩire na arũgamĩrĩri a kambuni ya ukinyanĩria wa kĩrĩu ya Microsoft kũrugũria ceceni ĩyo ya mathomo ma mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu gũkũ Nairobi. Ceceni ĩyo ya mũmwe mwena ũyũ wa Afrika ya irathĩro ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩakwo kuma o mwaka-inĩ wa 2019 nĩ ya gũthundũra ũũgĩ wa mĩtambo ya kompyuta. President akiuga atĩ gwakwo kwayo Kenya nĩ kĩonereria gĩa taranda cia ũũgĩ wa mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu ũrĩa ũrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Tonight we are again shattering yet another glass ceiling and once again cementing Kenya's place as Africa's leading technology powerhouse. The opening of this facility marks the establishment of one of the largest software engineering facilities on our continent of Africa.
Really, for me, this whole experience, this ADC, is equivalent to the expressway you're seeing there.
And one of the first things we did was hire talented engineers to work on technology such as Windows and cloud operating systems, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and mixed reality.
Oho President akiuga taranda cia a Kenya iria ikonorerwo ceceni-inĩ ĩyo cigũtuĩka kĩguni gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na ona nja ya bũrũri. Akiuga ceceni ĩyo nĩ gũteithia ona ayuthi arĩa marĩ cukuru na gũtura mĩeke ya mawĩra o hamwe na gũkũria wonjoria wa bũrũri ũrĩa ũrehoka mĩtambo ya kompyuta.
I am most particularly excited because this center advances our quest to secure high-tech jobs in the digital space for our young men and women.
Your Excellency, as we were speaking earlier, one of the questions that was being asked is that, is this truly an election year? Because look at us here launching an ADC for Africa, and it's only about 4 months to the elections. It means the peace that you've been preaching, the handshake that you took has allowed us to be able to continue to grow and to build. And
that you, together with our young men and women, will build a local world-class talent center and create innovative technological solutions that will yield globally positive impacts.
The ADC joins our other development centers around the world as a place for world-class engineers to create products and services that will power the future of our global society and economy.
Ceceni ĩno yũkĩte na kĩguni kinyagia kũrĩ arĩmi kũrĩa ũũgĩ wa mĩtambo ya kompyuta ũrateithĩrĩria gũthundũra njĩra itiganĩte cia kĩguni harĩ ũrĩmi bũrũri-inĩ.
We have trained 200,000 learners and youth. We have more than 1,000 skilled trainers, and of this, we continue to have the numbers increasing of those who are finding placements in the industry.
The sustained investments in the ICT sector continue to enable our young people to prepare for a dignified, digital-driven future of work opportunities in areas such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, remote work, online marketplaces, and new national and global e-business opportunities.
Tiga gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, ceceni ya gĩkĩro ta gĩkĩ ĩngĩ ĩrĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Nigeria. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.